Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Compose. This gets you straight into the editor where changes apply. You must select the text you want to resize so the client knows which content to change. Once done, look for the formatting toolbar or a format menu. That's where font size controls live. Why select first? Because some apps change only selected text, others set defaults. So, make your selection and make sure the toolbar is visible before moving to the next step. Now change the size. Open the font size drop-down and choose a preset such as 12 pt or 14 pt. This instantly scales selected text. If there are plus and minus buttons, use them for small increments. Some editors accept a numeric entry for precise control. You can also use keyboard shortcuts. For example, Ctrl plus Shift plus increases size, which speeds up repetitive edits. Make sure to observe how the line finish by deciding if this change is one-off or a default. If you want every message to use the new size, open Message or Account Settings and choose Set as Default, then save. Once done, send a test email to yourself and view it on phone and desktop to confirm appearance. If the size won't change, try clearing formatting or switching to rich text. Sometimes pasted formatting overrides font controls. Clearing it first resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.